So good morning, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So far here Suma, Vamshi Krishna Yadav, Shankar Narayana, Raki Krishna, Sriyana, Rachakunda after a long time, Swati, Vaishnavis, Pramila, Avinash, Karthik, Pranit Reddy, Balu, Narendra, Prasanna, Vamshi Krishna Yadav. Still joining? So I ask you one question: how many of you going to appear for TS Ecet examination, which is going to be conducted from 6th July onwards? Please, you need to chart on the chart box. How many of you? Just this 10 minutes is allotted to you. By 9:10 I start the class. By 9:10 I attend the sharp class. But 10 minutes I will discuss about the TS Ecet. How many of you are going to appear for TS Ecet examination? Sharif, Bharat, Abraham, Manjula, okay, Karthik, right. How many of you? I don't have the idea. Don't ask such questions. You give me the answer to my question. I'm very fine, but actually I'm doing somewhat not feeling well. Okay. Thank you for your concern, Vamshi Krishna. Others also, Suma, Balu Smiley, Dishwank, Vaishnavi, Rocky, Sriyana, Dhanush, Sharif. AP 26th July onwards. Now you are from Dhanush. Okay, definitely. Sham. Sham, where are you from, Sham? Where are you from, Sham? Okay, yourself, Abraham. Okay. So my suggestion is that all of you, those who are not actually, um, so if you actually so far didn't watch my videos, you go through it, first videos, you complete them, still because you have the time. Okay, Gorla, right, right. So I'm doing most of the things. Sharif Sheikh, you might be the new to my class today. You might have not observed my classes. Go to my playlist. Okay, in the playlist, the most of the Eamcet videos are available. Okay. Sham, have you attended for vectors classes or not? But few classes I conducted. I think triple product has been completed, and even we are in dot product, I think so. Right? Abraham Tabalist. T.T. Manikanta Swami. Manikanta Swami, hi. First, you might be new. Asin Sheikh. Yes. Pranav. Manjula. Shamala. Kartik. Okay. Okay. Vaishnavi Vinayaki. Right. See, regarding to the TS Ecet examination, but theory of equations, uh, Tejasvi Raju. Yes. Mamad Pahad. Vamshi Krishna. Vamshi Krishna. Vamshi is there, Vamshi Krishna is there. Okay, still 5 minutes is there. Sharp 9:10 I shall start the class, don't worry. Where is Suma? Where is Balu? Where is Dishwank? Where is Vamshi? Our regular viewers. Avinash Avi is not there. Abraham after a long time. Thank you, Shah. Thank you. Sai. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Pramila, I think absent Sir Suma. No. She was there, I observed. Lokesh. Shankar Narayana. Okay. Shankar Narayana also regular. Yes, Ganesh. Ganesh. Yes, 9:10. So Eamcet definitely they will conduct, but it will not be cancelled. But there is a chance of postponement only. But they won't cancel the Eamcet examination. Please do remember. That's why don't leave your preparation. So you need to prepare because we have a lot of time. So that you need to prepare for even physics and chemistry besides mathematics also. So that you need to concentrate more. So whatever difficult chapters are there, those chapters actually now you have the time. I don't have the idea TSM set. Tomorrow I shall give it. Uh, I think Ganesh, you might have not observed my playlist. Go to the playlist and then just ask the question. No, it between it's a free channel, isn't it now? That's why I don't fix the time also. That will be tentative. No, Samala, I teach only maths. Ganesh, you need to tell me. I don't have the idea. Still, I am learning. I am a learner. Prasanna, welcome. After a long time. Yashwant, Leela Sai Chowdhury. Is this our good morning? Okay, Kutur Pushpa. Madhu, you are new. Thank you, Samala. Thank you. Enough. Govind, after a long time, where had you been? Ganesh Kumar, yourself also. So don't leave a single question. If you just come to the live session, till the end of the live session, you need to watch. Because on the last question onwards, I will give some suggestions, some tips, isn't it now? You cannot decide on one question. One question may be length, other question may be depending upon some shortcuts, some tips. That's why what I observed means you are not waiting for other problems, but you need to watch till the end of the class. That you need to actually concentrate all the problems. That's very important, because sometimes even if it is familiar, the answer is familiar to you, directly you put the answer itself only. You won't do the problem in the examination. Understood now? That's why I'm giving ample of time to go through the question. But even though I got, in spite of I'm getting even suggestions from yours also, sir, why should you write the question and also answer? So if I want to write the question, that is actually artificial. That will not looks like a classroom situation. That's why even I am taking the risk to write the question as if you feel that it's a classroom session, direct live classroom session itself only. Understood now? because though I do the problems very slow manner, but you need to practice speed and accuracy. That is very important to you, important part. Please do remember. Even though I take 10 minutes or even sometimes 15 minutes for the problem, but you won't take like that. But in order to actually, my main idea is actually to inculcate the concept in your minds. Understood now? But try to, if I write everything is fast, you cannot understand the problem. What is the use of actually teaching? Unnecessary. I need to leave, I need to quit the class. It's a better thing instead of teaching you. Okay, thank you. You might have all of you understood. Okay, so try to give the your constant encouragement, and you need to give the suggestions through the offline. That's the better instead of giving yes, I will take care, definitely. I am not feeling well. That's correct. Okay. You do one thing now. You see what I have been observing today. See, just now, Vamshi Freak, after a long time. Thank you. Now let us start, because I will follow the time in particular. Okay, right. Thank you. Ellipse part 3. Ellipse part 3. Once again, see, from today the first problem to last problem you need to concentrate. Don't leave a single question. 28th question. 28th. Yes, correct, Johan. Right. The sum of the squares of the perpendicular distances on any tangent to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 from the points 0, plus or minus root of a square minus b square is, this is the question. Right. First option is a square, second option 4a square, third option 2a square, fourth option is 2b square. This is the question. The sum of the squares of the perpendicular distances on any tangent to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 from these 2 points. So that means actually 0 comma root of a square minus b square, 0 comma minus root of a square minus b square lies on the minor axis, y axis. From these 2 points, we need to find out the perpendicular distances to any tangent to the ellipse. Then what we need to find out? Sum of the squares of the perpendicular distances. For example, P1 is the perpendicular distance from 0 comma root of a square minus b square to any tangent. Similarly, P2 is the perpendicular distance from 0 comma minus root of a square minus b square to the any tangent. P1 square plus P2 square we need to find out. So let us do it now. Let us do it. Now the solution. First let us draw rough figure. Okay. So now take the 2 points. Say this point is actually A point, B point. Any tangent means, for our convenience, I will take the tangent here at the vertex. Any tangent you can consider. Any tangent. Okay. So this is the P point, better you say Q. Drop the perpendicular. PM and QN. Say at this is the vertex A comma 0. Tangent we have drawn. So now P coordinates are 0 comma root of a square minus b square. Because this is the y-axis. Q coordinates are 0 comma minus root of a square minus b square. So now let the tangent be drawn at vertex A comma 0. A comma 0. Now P1, let us say this distance is equal to P1. So this distance is equal to say P2. P1 equals to PM. PM is equal to nothing but CA. That means these two are parallel. CA equal to distance from center. Center means 0 comma 0 to A point. That will be A. P1 is equal to A. Similarly, P2 equals to QN. QN is also parallel to actually CA. So QN is also equal to A. But what we need to find out? P1 square plus P2 square we need to find out. P1 square plus P2 square means A square plus A square. So answer is 2A square. That's all. Here what is the logic is need to be applied means any tangent means take the tangent at vertex. Any tangent means vertex. Mr. Kiran Kumar Reddy, be careful. So you need not chart like that. You should have some ethical values. If I were a human being, you may not behave like this. Okay. Third option is the right option. Now the 29th question. 29th question. Right. The ratio of radii, it's a plural for radius, radii of circles described on the major axis and on the line joining foci as diameter of the ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 25 equal to 1 is first option 5:3, second option 3:5, third option 4:5, fourth option 5:4. First read the question very carefully. Okay. The ratio of radii of circles described on the major axis and the line joining foci as diameter of the ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 25 equals to 1 is. That means first of all we need to find out radius of the circle described on the major axis, say R1. Next, radius of the circle described on the line joining the foci. Then R1 is to R2 we need to find out. Understood now? So my job is only to actually introduce the concept to you, to discuss the questions, not discussing all these matters regarding to the postponement and etc. Please don't ask such questions. So right, thank you. Ratio of radii of circles described on the major axis, the line joining the foci as diameter, two circles of the ellipse, this one. Then we need to find out. 29th solution. So equation of the ellipse is x square upon 16 plus y square upon 25 equals to 1. Here a square equals to 16, b square equals to 25. So a is less than b. It's a vertical ellipse. So a4, b5. Okay, leave it now. So next, let us find out e value also. E value will be bigger value minus smaller value by bigger value. So root of 9 upon 25. This will be 3/5. Okay, now let us draw the figure like this. So now a circle. Say this is SS dash. SS dash as one circle is drawn. So now other circle is drawn, actually see like this. Other circle. This is BB dash. So BB dash is the other circle now. So that means now R1 equals to radius of circle whose diameter BB dash. See, the BB dash is equal to, here diameter is BB dash is B, because half of 2B you need to write B. B equals to how much here we have? B equals to 5. Next, R2. R2 is radius of this blue circle. Radius of circle whose diameter sorry, not here. Major axis means here this one BB dash only. So this is S, this will be S dash. This is nothing but 2BE, diameter SS dash, equal to half of 2BE, that will be BE. BE means actually, what is B? 5, E means 3 by 5, so that is 3. Now what we need to find out? R1 is to R2 you need to find out. R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 3. This is the answer. 5 is to 3. Right. So I don't mind even Eamcet will be postponed or may not be postponed. My classes will be continued. Please try to understand. If you are not interested, you can leave. That's all. Otherwise, those who are interested only, you can listen my classes. I am very strict about this one. So next, afterwards, I won't talk anything. Only regarding to the concept. Question number 30. So these questions are very, very important. Please try to understand. The distance of a point on x square upon 6 plus y square upon 2 equals to 1 from center is 2. The eccentric angle of the point lying in the first quadrant is, okay, first option pi by 3, second option pi by 6, third option pi by 2, fourth option pi by 4. This is the question. Distance of a point on the ellipse x square upon 6 plus y square upon 2 equals to 1 from the center is 2. The eccentric angle of the point lying in the first quadrant is 30 solution. So that means this is, okay, parabola. say C 0 comma 0, any point P of theta, you say A cos theta comma B sin theta. Distance CP. CP is equal to how much given? That is 2. Okay, 2. So that means now equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse is what is given? X square upon 6 y square upon 2 equals to 1. Here a square equal to 6, b square equals to 2. It determines that a greater than b, that is horizontal. So a is root 6, b is root 2. Any point on it is P of A cos theta. A cos theta means root 6 cos theta, comma B sin theta, root 2 sin theta, where theta is eccentric angle. So that we need to find out. What is given now? Distance from C to P point. That means distance from. So that means distance from C0 comma 0 to P of theta equal to 2 given. Now the distance from this one you need to find out. That is the root of x2 minus x1. Root 6 cos theta minus 0. Root 6 cos theta whole square. 6 cos square theta. Am I correct? Plus root 2 sin theta minus 0. Root 2 sin theta. Root 2 sin theta square. 2 sin square theta equals to 2. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides we get 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta equals to 4. Now actually a trigonometric equation is formed. Now we need to solve the trigonometric equation, which is in the form of A cos square theta plus B sin square theta is equal to C. Change sin square theta in terms of cos square theta, find cos theta so that we can find out eccentric angle. That should be in the first quadrant. So first quadrant means it lies in between 0 to pi by 4. So now 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta equals to 4. Since sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So replacing sin square theta for 1 minus cos square theta, we get 6 cos square theta plus 2 times 1 minus cos square theta equals to 4. 6 cos square theta plus 2 minus 2 cos square theta equals to 4. So now 6 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta. You get 4 cos square theta equals to, transpose to this side, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have cos square theta equals to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Now the cos theta equals to, we get plus or minus root of 1 over 2, plus or minus 1 by root 2. That means cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos theta equals to minus 1 by root 2. That means theta is equal to pi by 4. Here theta will be pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is actually 135, lies in the second quadrant. This belongs to second quadrant, Q2. But this belongs to Q1. So that means now we need to consider this value itself only. So we need to ignore this one. So pi by 4 is the eccentric angle. Pi by 4 is the eccentric. Fourth option. Okay, I will hold it for a while. Don't worry. '31. The distance from the distance from major axis, the distance from major axis to any point on the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, and the distance from major axis to any point on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, and the corresponding point on the auxiliary circle, or in the ratio is first option A is to B, second option B is to A, third option A square is to B square, fourth option B square is to A square. Okay, this is the question. The distance from major axis to the any point to the ellipse, and the distance from the major axis to the corresponding point on the auxiliary circle. For example, say P1 and P2 distance. P1 is to P2, we need to find out. Suppose P1 is the distance from major axis to the any point on the ellipse. Let P2 be the distance from major axis to the corresponding point on the auxiliary circle. Then we need to find out P1 is to P2. Right. 31st solution. So let us draw the figure. This is the parabola. Say this is A dash is the major axis. Say any point say P, A cos theta comma B sin theta. This is the distance from P point to axis, major axis, say C. This will be B sin theta. This will be B sin theta. So that means x square plus y square is equal to a square, circle. Circle equation will be like this now. Circle equation will be like this. So you can write circle equation is like this. So this is the corresponding point, say P dash. P dash. You join this one. Now I will write, don't worry. Let P of A cos theta comma B sin theta be any point on ellipse S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0. So that means distance from, let us say P1 is equal to PM. That is distance from major axis to P. So this distance, this is nothing but y coordinate, B sin theta. So now corresponding point of P on auxiliary circle is P dash, that will be A cos theta comma A sin theta, because that's a circle whose equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Parametric equations are A cos theta comma A sin theta. So therefore now P2 equals to distance from major axis to P dash, that is equal to P dash M. P dash M will be the y coordinate, that is A sin theta. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out P1 is to P2. P1 is to P2 means P1 is B sin theta is to P2 is A sin theta. Sin theta gets cancelled. The ratio is B is to A. Second option. If I feel good, today evening also we shall have the class for 1 hour, because at least tomorrow we need to complete this chapter and including parabola also. Second question. The equation to locus of poles of chords of the ellipse x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equals to 4, which subtend a right angle at the center is this is very important. This is concept based question. You need to remember. I will give the shortcut for this one, don't worry. So first option, 9x square plus 4y square equals to 13. Second option, 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 13. Third option, 9x square minus 4y square is equal to 13. Fourth option, 4x square minus 9y square equals to 13. Right. The equation to the locus of poles of chords of the ellipse x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equals to 1, which subtend a right angle at the center. So now I will give one shortcut. Please note down that shortcut. 32. So first write down what is given here. Given x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equal to 1. Here a square is 9, b square equals to 4, a is 3, b is 2, a greater than b. So now the shortcut write down. Shortcut or short trick, whatever you know, super trick. Locus of poles of chords of. So you need to note down in your notes chords of the ellipse. S is equal to 0, which subtends a right angle at the center. Is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. Same, just like ellipse equation, left hand side only will get it, but here you need to remember 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. So this you need to remember. This is the shortcut. Now required locus is C, x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 4. Multiply both sides with 36. Multiply with 36 because LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. So we get like this: 36 into 9, 36 into x square upon 9, 4x square, 36 into y square upon 4, 9y square, equal to this, we get 4 plus 9 which equal to 13. This is the answer. Mr. Rameshwar Reddy, please don't put similes. So our class is different from other YouTubers. Please try to understand. So mine, actually I don't scold anybody. Also just only I will suggest. If you want to give any, you can give the feedback after completion of my session. In the offline session I will go through them and I will try to update myself. Because I need not waste for time for sake of you people also. Right. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Am I correct now, all of you? Okay. Thirty-three. 33. 33. The normal at P on the ellipse x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equals to 1 meets the major axis at capital G. If S is the focus, then S is G upon SP equal to, or SG is to SP. First option is 3 upon 5. Second option is 5 upon 3. Third option is 9 upon 25. Fourth option is 16 upon 25. This is the question. So I am taking utmost care while writing on the even screen also, because if I actually write in actually speed manner, you cannot understand. That's why even though I am getting the comment that as if I was not writing good on the screen. I think, is it visible to you or not? Is it clear or not? You chart yourself. Otherwise I will change my writing style. Nobody is responding. For this one nobody will respond. Are you there? It's good? Okay. The normal at P on the ellipse x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equals to 1 meets the major axis at G. S is the focus, then HG by SP you need to find out. Right. Now 33 is the very logical question. In order to find of HG by SP is actually for any conic it is applicable. Right. So that means first of all, given x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equals to 1. Here a square equals to 25, b square equals to 16, a equals to 4, a equals to 5, b equals to 4, a greater than b. That means this is the figure. So for example, normal at P, this is C. So now S is the focus. S is the focus. This is G, HG. This is P. You join SP. SP by HG you need to find out. Right. So now first let us find out E value. E equals to bigger value 25 minus smaller 16 upon bigger 25 root. That means a square minus b square by a square. This is root of 9 upon 25 whose value is 3 by 5. So we have one shortcut for any conic. For any conic, it's a tonic. See, safeguard is equal to East Godavari SP. So we need to find out what now here. SG by SP. SG by SP is E. Already E is there, 3 by 5. So answer is 3 by 5. That's all. So you need to remember this condition. This condition is very important for ellipse, hyperbola or parabola also. Thirty-fourth question. 34th. Right. The point of intersection. See, once again I ask you all the viewers that you need to wait till the completion of the class, because even one question may decide your career in the examination. Understood now? Each and every question is very important, whatever we have been discussing in any session. So don't leave the class. You need to wait till the completion of the class. The point of intersection of the tangents to the ellipse to the ellipse 25x square plus 16y square equals to 400 at the ends of the lattice rectum below x-axis is. This is the question. So this is also actually shortcut problem. We have the concept. That concept I will give it. So whatever shortcuts tips are there, please note down separate notes. You maintain for each chapter. That will be good. Before going to the examination, just make a glance so that you can apply in the examination directly. First option, 0 comma 25 upon 3. Second option 0 comma 5 upon 3. Third option 0 comma minus 5 upon 3. Fourth option 0 comma minus 25 upon 3. This is the question. The point of intersection of the tangents to the ellipse 25x square plus 16y square equals to 400 at the ends of the lattice rectum below x-axis is Okay, definitely after completion of session I will discuss. Thank you. Like that you need to ask. 34th solution. So given 25x square plus 16y square equal to 400. Divide by 400. X square upon 16 plus y square upon 25 equal to 1. Here a square equals to 16, b square equals to 25. That implies a equals to 4, b equals to 5, a less than b. This is vertical parabola. Now we need to draw the figure now. We need to draw the figure for this one. So you get like this. This is minor axis, now the major axis. This is minor. X-axis is minor. Now y-axis becomes major. Now point of intersection of the tangents to the ellipse. So that means below the x-axis. That means here this is the directrix now. Directrix. Say this will be z dash. So now the tangents are drawn like this. Generally the tangents meet at z dash. Say this point is T1, this is z dash T2. So this point of intersection is we need to find out. See, you remember this shortcut. This is the short tip or shortcut, short trick. The tangents at the this is a lattice rectum. S dash. Okay. Tangents at the ends of lattice rectum of the ellipse intersect on the directrix at the foot of the directrix, z dash, that's called z dash. So that is z dash, where z dash is equal to 0 comma minus b by e. That we need to find out now. So b value equal to now how much? 5, but we need to find out e value now. Let us find out e. E is given by square root of b square minus a square by b square. This will be root of B square is equal to how much actually here? 25. 25 minus 6 is 9 upon 25. This is 5 by 3. So therefore, point of intersection equal to 0 comma B. B is 5. E is 5 by 3. Minus 5 upon 5 by 3. E value is what? 5 by 3. Okay. Right. This will be now 0 comma minus 5 upon 1 into 3 by 5. So this is 0 comma minus 3 is the answer. 0 comma minus 3. Sorry, I did mistake. Sorry, absolutely, I did mistake. Wait. Calculation error. Is absolutely correct. This is 3 by 5, not 5 by 3. So 0 comma minus b is minus 5 upon 3 by 5. So this 5 comes up. 0 comma minus 25 upon 3. This is the answer. Yes, I rectified. Thank you. This basic fact we need to remember. The tangents at the ends of the lattice rectum of the ellipse intersect on the directrix at the foot of the ellipse. That is z or z dash. Below the x-axis z dash, above the x-axis will be z. That means 0 comma plus or minus b by e. So that we need to find out. So these you need to write in separate notebook. So that's why only you need to stay till the completion of the session. That's why I told you. So these kind of techniques will be missed. Understood now? Everybody feel that so we can do the problem, but you can do the problem in lengthy method. But sometimes, so being is this is the competitive entrance examination, so that these kind of tips and shortcuts will be explained. But for all problems we don't have. That's in general. But for important problems we can create it. $35. Yes, definitely. You can see, check. The equation of the auxiliary circle of the ellipse x square upon 25 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1 is equation of the auxiliary circle of the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. You need to find out equation of the auxiliary circle to the ellipse. So first option, x square plus y square equals to 9 Second option, x square plus y square equals to 34. Third option, x square plus y square equals to 25. Fourth option, x square plus y square equals to 16. So which is the right option? Okay. Sirisha, not sin x. Directrix. Right. See, here a square equals to 25, b square equals to 9. Obviously a greater than b. Therefore, equation of auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equals to a square, provided a greater than b. So this condition. Therefore, required equation of the circle is x square plus y square equals to 25. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. So what is the Sirisha? I don't get it. What did you write it there? Point 3. What is point 3? Option 3. Okay. Bhumika, after long time, where had you been? Lavanya, yourself also. 36th. 36th question. The eccentricity or eccentricity. The eccentricity of the ellipse whose auxiliary equation sorry whose auxiliary circle and director circle are x square plus y square equals to 25 and x square plus y square equals to 41 is first option 3 by 4, second option 3 by 7, third option 3 by 5, fourth option 2 by 3. Okay. Tulasi Das, you are also not regular. What happened? Right. Eccentricity of the ellipse we need to find out, whose auxiliary equation is given by x square plus y square is equal to 25. whose equation of the director circle is given by x square plus y square is equal to 41. We need to find out eccentricity of the or eccentricity of the ellipse we need to find out. Okay, right. 36th solution. Equation of the auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equals to 25. Means we need to compare this one. X square plus y square equals to a square. So you remember this one. Next, equation of the director circle. Director circle is x square plus y square equals to 41 given. So that means the equation of the director circle is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Okay. So now we need to compare. Here we get here a square equals to 25. So a square equal to 25. A square plus b square equal to 41. A square plus b square equals to 41. Substituting 25 here, b square equals to 41 minus 25, whose value is 16. So therefore, what we need to find out? We need to find out e value. E value is given by root of bigger a square minus smaller b square by bigger. So root of 25 minus 16 upon 25. Root of 9 upon 25. This is 3 upon 5 is the desired answer. Sirisha, something you seem to be eccentric. Sirisha is eccentricity is tan x, that is infinity, extends to infinity. Avinash, it might be 2 marks, but it's very important concepts. It can be applicable for hyperbola for other chapters too. So 2 marks means only 2 questions will complete, that doesn't matter. So I will complete each and every concept. So that's my main intention. Suppose if I discuss only important questions, it may not appear. What will happen? You see, always believe the concept. I already discussed Tulsidas. The introduction part, go through the playlist, check part 1 of Ellipse. You will get an idea about the difference between auxiliary circle and director circle. They are nothing but locus. Question number 37. The foci of an ellipse are 5, 12 and 24, 7. If the ellipse if the ellipse passes through the origin, passes through the origin, then eccentricity equals to E equals to Sirisha, this is the last warning to you. I already told you. Your eccentricity value has been slowly increasing. Now you need to understand what I said. That is a philosophical way. I told you. First option, root over 386 upon 38. Second, root over 386 upon 19. Third, root over 386 upon 17. Fourth, root over 386 upon 23. Okay. Right. Read this question. First, note down all of you in your notes. Right? Have you got an idea? Yes, you might be thinking. The foci of an ellipse are 5, 12 and 24, 7. If the ellipse passes through the origin, then we need to find out eccentricity. E value we need to find out. Okay, now let us come to 37. For example, say this is the ellipse. Ellipse passes through the origin. Say P point. It passes through the origin. It's an axis. Axis is not x-axis. Say yes. This will be S dash. You join this one. Okay. So now what is given here? S equals to 5, 12. S dash is equal to 24, 7. Okay, now we can find out distance from S to P. Distance from origin to S we can find out. Say SP, let us find out. SP equals to root of, this is 25 plus 144. This is root 169, whose value is 13. We know SP. Next SQ, sorry, S dash P. Distance from origin to this point. This point means 24, 7. 0 minus 24 square, that is 24 square is 576 plus 49. This will be root 625, whose value is 25. So now we have, okay, definitely Dwaraka creations. Definitely. Okay. Right. So now we know that SP plus S dash P is the focal property, that is 2A. 2A equals to sum of these two is actually you get 38. A will be 19. Now A value has been obtained. Yes, origin need not be center always. Sometimes only. So now here, one more thing remember, the distance between foci is always 2AE. That means SS dash equal to 2AE. So that implies now 2AE equals to distance between these 2 points. Distance between these 2 points is given by root of 24 minus 5. 24 minus 5 is 9, 19 square. X2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square. This is minus 5 square. This equals to 2a. 2a is equal to 38. 38e equal to 361 plus 25 under root. This will be root of 386. But we need e. Therefore, e equals to root over 386 upon 38. This is the answer. Yes, Suma, excellent question you asked me. Center need not be always 0, 0. It may be h, k. Right. Rek Rakesh K. In your name only you have K. Why should we K? You are always KK. You are okay. Right. Next, 38th question. 38. Yes, 3, 4, S dash 9, 12 are the foci of an ellipse and the foot of the perpendicular from S to a tangent to the ellipse is 1, minus 4. Then E equals to eccentricity equals to Vaishnavi, don't worry, she's chanting the derivatives. Let her done. Thirteen upon 5, second 5 upon 13, third 5 upon 12, fourth 5 upon 7. So PDF I don't have the much technical knowledge about how to make PDF. Okay. Okay. So now S3, 4, S dash 9, 12 are the foci and the foot of the perpendicular from S to a tangent to the ellipse is 1, minus 4. Then eccentricity we need to find out. Right. Okay, 38th solution. Given, what is given? S 3, 4, S dash 9, 12. That means this is an ellipse. This is S. This is S dash. Say C this is. So foot of the, say tangent, this is P. P is how much given? That is 1, minus 4. Join CP. CP. Okay. So now here C is the center, is the midpoint of SS dash. Midpoint of SS dash. That means you can find out 3 plus 9 upon 2, comma 4 plus 12 upon 2. That is 6, 8. 6, 8. So that means actually you see foot of the perpendicular always lies on the auxiliary circle. That means distance from center to this point will be A, because A is the radius of the auxiliary circle. So that hint you remember. What is the hint now? Here see, P 1, minus 4 lies always on auxiliary circle. That means foot of the perpendicular on the tangent from the center always lies on the auxiliary circle. So distance from center to P point find out, that will be the A value we can find out. So A equals to CP. CP equals to C point is 6, 8, P point is 1, minus 4. Under root of 6 minus 1, 5 square, 8 plus 4, 12 square. Now you get 25 plus 144 is root 169, 13. That means radius of the auxiliary circle is known, A value known. So that means just find distance between S and S dash, that will be 2AE. So 2AE equals to SS dash. So distance between these 2 points you find out. So that given by root of 9 minus 3 is 6 square plus 12 minus 4, 8 square. Root of 36 plus 64, that will be root 100, so 10. But our aim is to find out E value. So that means now here, since A equals to 13, substituting here 26E equals to 10, we need E value. E equals to 10 upon 26. 2 5 ja, 2 13 ja. 5 upon 13 is the answer. Yes, sorry, figure is wrong. Absolutely. Yes, this is CP. Okay, right. Thank you, Suma. 39th question. P is a point on the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. P is a point on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. With foci S and S dash. The maximum value of area of triangle PSS dash is the maximum area of the triangle PSS dash we need to find out. First option AB 2ABE, second option ABE square, third ABE, fourth 3AB square, ABE square. P is any point on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 having the foci S and S dash. The maximum area of the triangle formed by the P point and S dash point we need to find out. P is a point on the ellipse whose foci are S and S dash. The maximum value of the area of the triangle PSS dash we need to find out. So this is also concept based question. So if you remember the concept, this question becomes very simple. So now this is an ellipse, x-axis, y-axis. Say yes, this is S dash. So this is minor axis, this will be major axis. So now the maximum area P be the any point on this one. If and only if P is the one end of the minor axis, then that area of triangle PSS dash becomes maximum. This area becomes maximum. That means P should be the here one end of the minor axis, say y dash. This is x dash. This is center C. So now how to find out area of the triangle means very simple. The base is SS dash, height is CP. CP means half of the minor axis. This will be B. Understood now? So that means now you remember this short tip you need to remember, short trick, so to solve this kind of problem. Area of triangle PSS dash is maximum when P is one of the ends of minor axis. Okay, now CP equals to B, SS dash equals to we have 2AE. Distance between the foci is 2AE. Now maximum area of triangle PSS dash equal to half multiplied by base is 2SS dash. This is the base. Height will be this into CP. Half times SS dash is 2AE, CP is B. 2 gets cancelled. ABE square units. This is okay. Just go through the problem. So these tips will be discussed. So unless and until you retain for the till the end of the classroom session, so these points will be actually reviewed. Understood now? Question number 40. Question number 40. Okay. Okay, so my evening I will discuss, please. Huh? Right. If alpha beta are the ends of a focal chord of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, which passes through AE comma 0, clearly mentioned. One of the foci is AE comma 0. Then cos square alpha plus beta upon 2 upon cos square of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. Vamshi, please cool. Be cool. Right. Right. First option, a square upon a square minus b square. Second option, a square upon b square minus a square. Third option, a square upon a square plus b square. Fourth option, a square upon 2a square upon a square minus b square. A square minus b square. This is a question. Alpha, beta are the ends of focal chord of the ellipse and passes through the one of the foci, that is AE comma 0. Then we need to find out this value, cos square of alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos square of alpha minus beta by 2. So let us find out. This will be very interesting question, don't worry. Forty solution. So now this is the ellipse. Okay, center C. Now this is the focal chord. Say P of alpha. This will be Q comma beta. Passes through S AE comma 0. Focus. This is the figure. Okay. So try to concentrate, all of you. Leave them. Okay. First, what is the plan means? Let us find out equation of the chord joining the points P of alpha and Q of beta. We need to write it. First, write down equation of the chord joining P of alpha stands for A cos alpha comma B sin alpha and Q A cos beta comma B sin beta. Parametric form is given by x upon A cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y upon B sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. According to the problem, it passes through AE comma 0. So since since equation 1 passes through S AE comma 0. That means in the place of x substitute AE, in the place of y 0. We get like this now. AE by A, E cos of alpha plus beta by 2. This becomes 0 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. Now cos alpha plus beta by 2 upon this cos alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 1 by E. What is E? E equal to nothing but root of A square minus B square by A square. Am I correct or not? Squaring on both sides because we need square of the value. Am I correct now? So squaring on both sides, cos square alpha plus beta upon 2 upon, so cos square upon alpha minus beta by 2 equal to 1 by E square. 1 by E square means 1 by A square minus B square by A square. You can write A square upon A square minus B square. Understood, all of you? So David Piditala, just you forward your solution. I will check now. Just now while I will check. This is beta. Okay, understood all of you now. Right? Okay. So 1K is enough, Mr. Chandra Mohan Reddy. Excuse me. Forty-one. If alpha beta are the ends of the focal chord of the ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, which passes through AE comma 0, then tan of alpha by 2 times tan of beta by 2. This is very important question. No, I want solution, David. First option 1 plus e upon 1 minus e. Second option 1 minus e upon 1 plus e. E minus 1 upon e plus 1. Fourth option e plus 1 upon e minus 1. Thank you for your concern. Thank you. Alpha, beta are the ends of a focal chord of the ellipse, which passes through AE comma 0. We need to find out tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. We need to find out. Okay. #41 solution. See, this is an ellipse. Okay. Center. This is the chord passes through the, say, P of alpha at P of alpha. q of beta and passes through the focus SAE comma 0. Now first let us write equation of the chord. Equation of the chord PQ is given by x upon a cos alpha plus beta by 2 y upon b. You need to remember this is the result, sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Say this is equation 1. Since equation 1 passes through given according to the problem only AE comma 0, this point AE comma 0. So we get now substituting E cos of alpha plus beta by 2 equal to, this becomes 0 because y value is 0, equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. So this we can write like this, cos alpha minus beta by 2 can be written alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 upon, this is cos of alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 equal to E can be written E upon 1. So that means we have cos alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 equals to E upon 1. Apply componendo dividendo. Apply CD rule. So if you want CD rule, I have already discussed in trigonometry concept. Apply CD rule. What is the CD rule? A by B equals to P by Q. We can write A plus B upon A minus B equals to P plus Q upon P minus Q. This is CD rule. So now applying the CD rule, this we can write cos of alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 upon this minus this, cos alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 minus cos alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 equals to E plus 1 by E minus 1. We need to recall transformations formulae. What are the transformations formulae we have discussed? So now you see this is in the form of cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. This is in the form of cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So that we can write cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B is 2 cos A cos alpha by 2 cos B cos beta by 2 divided by, this is 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin alpha by 2 sin beta by 2 equal to E plus 1 by E minus 1. Reciprocal write-down. Reciprocal, because we need okay Nagaraju, no problem, because you need to, you go through the part 1 onwards, you will understand, no problem. You go to part 1, first parabola, you go to parabola, next come to, this is not outgoing student, this is the Eamcet class. So now we can write sin alpha by 2 sin beta by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 cos beta by 2 will be e minus 1 upon e plus 1. Now this you will understand, Nagaraju. Sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2. Sin beta by 2 by cos beta by 2 is tan beta by 2. So whose value is e minus 1 by e plus 1. This is the required desired answer. Okay. Which is the option now? Third option or fourth option? I think third. E minus 1 by e plus 1. Lavanya, you check your options. Avinash. Okay. Right. 39 repeated. Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you. Next one thing I will do it. If I feel good, I will take the class by 4:30. Otherwise, but I will put the notification now itself only. I will put the notification. So if I won't feel good, then that will be postponed to tomorrow. But 4:30 we shall have a class. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. First, all of you need to give your feedback, because so that I can improve myself next classes. See, one of the viewers given good feedback because he is studying second year. How could you understand? He cannot understand unless and until know the basics of the ellipse. So thank you one and all. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Stay home. Stay safe.